guys, today we're going to be learning how to make a foundation chain. So this is really simple. It looks complicated, but I promise you it's not. And it's a great thing to know how to do if you're starting a project which requires you to do a bunch of chain stitches, which then require a set of single crochet to go into them to create your base of what you're working into, and this allows you to essentially create your chain stitches and your single crochet stitches at the same time. So it's quite a good way of just expediting the process. So I'm going to start by making a slip knot. I'll link to a video of how to do that if that's something you need to learn how to do. What I'm going to do now is I am going to start by chaining 2. So we catch the yarn with the hook and we pull it through the loop on the hook. So that's 1 chain, and again chain 1, and that creates 2 chains. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my hook into that first chain that we just made, and I'm going to make sure that I've got 2 loops of that chain on the top of my hook and 1 on the bottom. So there's the top. I'm then going to do a single crochet, so I'm going to catch the yarn and pull it through the chain, those 2 loops. That makes 2 loops on the hook. We're then going to yarn over, catch the yarn, pull through the first loop on the hook, and then yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook at the same time. Okay, and that is our first stitch of our foundation chain. So I'm going to show you the next step. You can see, if I take my hook out, our stitch is made up of this little V shape on the top, and then it's got this sort of long line on the bottom. Top, bottom. We are going to start by working into the chain of the bottom on the previous stitch. So we've got the top, we flip it over, and this long line here is where we're going to pop our hook. We're going to catch the yarn and pull it through the stitch to make 2 loops on the hook. We then catch the yarn, pull it through the first loop on the hook, and then catch the yarn again and pull it through both loops. And that is our second stitch complete. So I'll do that one more time. We're going to pop our hook into that single stitch on the bottom, catch the yarn, pull it through to make 2 loops on the hook. We're then going to catch the yarn, pull through the first loop on the hook, catch the yarn again and pull through both loops on the hook at the same time. And that is all there is to it. Really simple, really quick, and highly recommend this is something you learn, as it's much easier than creating a chain and having to work your way back along it.